Hello everyone, this is Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. So friends, so far we have learned in level 1 introduction of all the alphabet with its sounds and introduction of vowels as well as consonants, right? And in level 2, joining vowel with consonant, right? So vowel A, the sound of vowel A with a consonant, sound of C, K, A, K, A, K, A. Vowel E, the sound of E is A. And the sound of G is G, egg. And this vowel I, the sound of I is E. And the consonant, I join consonant yes, is. And next one is, the next vowel is O. We join O with D, odd. Then vowel U, the sound of vowel U is A. And joined consonant P, up. Again at. In this video, I am going to introduce how to join 3 letters together and make a word. Now let's start with vowel A. Here we have A, G, right? Join together A, G, ag. A, G, ag. And A, P. Vowel A, and consonant P, A, P, A. And here we are going to join A with T, at. Now I will join one more consonant along with this sound, ag. Let me join letter B. Ag. Bag. Here, let me join letter K, C. The sound of C is K. Cat, right? And here I am going to join letter B. Bat. Now let me show you one more example with all these words. G. Now I'll join T. Ag. Tag. Again, app. I'll add T. Join T, app, tap. Then again, apt, right? I'll join K, apt, cat. Like that, I have some more. An, and. Now I'll join fan, dad. After introducing these 3-letter words using A vowel, you can show the pictures related to all the words. Now let's see how to make 3-letter word using E vowel. Here, N. What is the sound of E? A. egg, 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 egg. After this, I'll join a consonant along with this sound. Let's see. N. I'm going to add p, 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 n. P, separate n together. N. P, n, p, n, p, n. Fast. P, n. Pen. Right? Now, t. T. Let me add n. Et. N separately, et together. Net. Right? Here, let me add letter B. The sound of B is B. Ed. Bed. Here I am going to add letter L. Egg. Leg. Separately, egg together. Egg. Now let me show you some more example. Again, N. Yet. Ed. Egg. Right? Now let me add D. Letter D. The sound of D is D. N. Den. Yes. Now let me add letter W. The sound of W is wa. Watch. Wet. Was separated and yet together. Wet. And here we have letter ed. Together. Ed. I am going to add letter R. Letter R. The sound of R is red. Right? Here we have egg. Together, egg. So I am going to add letter K. What is the sound of K? Egg. Egg. After this, again you can introduce the pictures of all these words. Now let's see how to read 3-letter words using I vowel. Here we have E. What is the sound of I? He. It. Now I am going to add a consonant along with this. Just see how to do that. P, I, T. P, it. P, it. P, it. P, it. Pit. Right? Now, in. I'll add letter F. The sound of F is F, in, fin, F, in, fin. The next one is I, P. I'll add letter L, ip, lip. Next one is G. I'll add letter W. And what is the sound of W? Ig, wig, Here, eat. I'll add s. It. It. Sit. Here, in. I'll add t along with this. In. 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 Tin. In. Tin. Here, h. Her and ip. Her ip. Her ip. Hip. Hip. Here again, fur and egg. Fur, egg. Fig. So this is how you should do 3-letter word using I vowel. Now 3-letter words using O vowel. Here let's join O, T, O, T, ot, Og, 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 Op, Op, Op. Here we have O, U, O, E, oil, 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 ox, ox, ox. Now let me join a consonant along with this. Now here we have ot. I'm going to join letter H. Letter H. The sound of H is H. Ot. Hot. H. Ot. Hot. Let me join letter L. Og. Og. Log. Og. Log. Log. Now let me join letter T. Top. 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 Here I have oil. Let me join oil. Boy. I'll show you one more example. Oil. Let me add T. Oil. Toy. Here, ox. Let me join letter F. Ox. Fox. Fox. This is the last vowel U. We are going to read 3-letter words using vowel U. The sound of U is up. Ugh. Now let's join one more consonant along with each sound, each letters. Here, up. I am going to join k, up, cup, k up, cup. Here, s, letter S, the sound of S is s, sun. Here again, n. Let me join letter N, at, nut. Here we have Let me join some, some. Let me join letter H. Sound of H is H, ug, hug. After completing this, after making your child reading all the 3 letter words joining A, E, I, O, U vowel, you should introduce the pictures. You can introduce the pictures of each word and make them read along with the picture using the sounds of each letter. So friends, see you all soon with my next video. That's level 4, which is ending sound using double letters and sounds using double vowels. So take care. Bye bye.